We're gonna do the blues version. You ready? This land is your land, this land is my land. From California to the New York Islands, from the Redwood Forest to the Gulf Stream water. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. I've roamed and rambled, and I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond deserts. And all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. When the sun came shining and I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving and the dust clouds rolling, as the fog was lifting, a voice was chanting. This land was made for you and me. As I went walking, I saw a sign there, and on the sign it said, no trespassing. And on the other side, it didn't say nothing. That side was made for you and me. In the shadow of the steeple, I saw my people. By the Ryleaf office, I seen my people. They stood there hungry, I stood there asking, is this land made for you and me? Nobody living can ever stop me as I go walking that freedom highway. Nobody living can make me turn back. This land was made for you and me. Yeah, take it. I see my people, and they stood there hungry. I stood there asking, is this land made for you and me? Is this land made for you and me? Is this land made for you and me? Is this land made for you and me?
Ready, oh yeah. Ready for oh yeah? There we go.
Nobody living can never stop me as I go walking